Tired of giving out your personal cell phone number for business calls? You know the drill. It's unprofessional. It blurs the lines between your work and personal life. And honestly, it's just a hassle. You want to present a polished, professional image, but you don't want to get locked into an expensive and complicated phone system. What if I told you there's a simple, affordable solution that gives you a dedicated business number without any of the old school headaches? That's right. We're talking about getting a number with RingCentral. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get a RingCentral number, whether you're a solopreneur, a small business, or a growing enterprise. We'll cover the different types of numbers you can get, the plans available, and the straightforward steps to get you up and running in no time. So let's get into it. First things first, what kind of number do you need? RingCentral offers a few different options, and the right choice for you depends on your business goals. The most common option is a local number. This is a number with a specific area code, like a traditional landline. It's perfect for businesses that want to establish a local presence and build trust with customers in a specific geographic area. When you choose a local number, it tells your customers, hey, we're right here in your community, which can be a huge advantage. Next up, we have toll-free numbers. These numbers, like those starting with 800, 888, or 877, are free for your customers to call. Toll-free numbers are great for businesses that serve a wider, national audience. They give your business a larger, more established feel and make it easy for anyone, anywhere in the country, to reach you without incurring any charges. This is a fantastic way to boost customer service and sales. Finally, there are vanity numbers. These are like a special, memorable version of a toll-free or local number. Think 1-800-FLOWERS or 1-800-GOFEDEX. A vanity number is tied to your brand, making it incredibly easy for customers to remember and dial. While there might be a one-time setup fee for these, the brand recognition and marketing value can be worth every penny. So you've decided on the type of number. The next step is to choose a RingCentral plan. This is where you get to pick the features that best suit your business needs. RingCentral's pricing is based on a per-user, per-month model, and they have different tiers to match different business sizes and requirements. The plans start with a basic tier that's perfect for small businesses, offering essentials like unlimited calling, messaging, and a business number. As you move up to more advanced plans, you unlock features like call queues, advanced call monitoring, and integrations with popular CRM software. It's all about finding the right balance of features and cost for your specific situation. Remember, you typically get one main number included with your plan, and you can add more as your business grows. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the step-by-step process of actually getting your number. It's surprisingly simple. The first thing you'll do is sign up for a RingCentral account on their website. This is where you'll provide some basic information about your business, like your email and company name, and select the plan that you've decided is the best fit. During the sign-up process, you'll be prompted to choose your phone number. This is the exciting part. If you're going with a local number, you'll be able to select from a list of available area codes and specific numbers. If you're getting a toll-free number, you'll see a selection of prefixes and numbers to choose from. RingCentral's system makes this super easy, showing you what's available in real time. Once you've selected your number and completed the sign-up, your number is typically activated very quickly. RingCentral's service is cloud-based, which means you don't need any physical hardware or a complicated installation. You just download the RingCentral app on your computer or smartphone, and you're good to go. This is a game changer for flexibility. You can make and receive calls from your business number from anywhere, on any device. Now, a quick word on something called number porting. What if you already have a business phone number that your customers know and love, and you don't want to give it up? No problem. RingCentral allows you to port your existing number to their service. This is a process where they transfer your number from your old provider to your new RingCentral account. The process can take a few days, but it means you don't lose any brand recognition or have to update your contact information everywhere. RingCentral's support team can help you with this process to ensure a smooth transition. After you have your number, the real fun begins. You can start setting up your phone system features. Things like the auto receptionist, which greets callers with a professional message and routes them to the right person or department, or setting up call routing rules to forward calls to your cell phone when you're out of the office. These features are all manageable through a simple, intuitive admin portal, so you're in complete control. In short, getting a RingCentral number is a simple, three-step process. First, choose the type of number you want: local, toll-free, or vanity. Second, pick the RingCentral plan that's right for your business. And third, sign up, choose your number, and start using the app. It's a modern, flexible, and professional solution that helps you separate your business life from your personal one and project a professional image to your customers. It's all about empowering you to do business on your terms, from anywhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.